Okay, we are here. So today we're all going to graph some lines. Okay, straight lines. So this is actually a website called Desmos. I love it a lot, and it's really convenient and it's really quick to use. Okay, good, good. So how we're gonna use it is let's graph a few lines, shall we? And you can actually visualize and see what the line, what M and what B does to the line as well. Okay, so let's just do y equals x. Boom, it's immediate. Okay, comes out immediately. Okay, Makai, now I know how you've been graphing so perfectly. You've been cheating with this program. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, cool. So remember we have M, right? M is a fancy variable letter for slope. Okay, so the bigger M is the bigger the slope is, the steeper it is. Okay, well, let's take a look. So you can actually click on the empty space in here. You don't really see it, but you can actually click on the empty space in here, and let's do y equals 2x. And what do you see? Steeper, right? Steeper. Okay, so and then y equals 3x. Okay, it's even steeper than that as well, right? Oh, 3x, sorry, 3x, like that, right? Okay. Now, let's take a look at, delete these two lines. So what if it's y equals negative x? Then it's going down. It's a downward slope, right? And then what if it's y equals negative 2x? It's steeper. Okay, it's closer to the y-axis. Okay, steeper, but in the opposite direction, right? Now, remember yesterday I said a perpendicular line. So let's just say we have y equals 3x, right? It's the negative reciprocal slope would actually create a perpendicular line. I'll show you. So y equals, what is the negative reciprocation of 3? No, that's a negative value. Luke, go for it. Was it Luke or Jason? Negative reciprocal, guys. Aiden, negative reciprocal.
-2.
No, okay. What is the negative reciprocal of that slope right there? What's the slope on the board? No, what's the slope?
Oh, slope.
Okay, I was gonna say okay, but 3. Yes, 3. Okay, guys, 3. So what's the negative reciprocal of 3? Oh, that's the negative value of 3. Negative reciprocal is negative 1/3, guys. Ah, you forgot. Okay, negative reciprocal is, okay, negative 1/3, right, guys? Okay, I think someone got it on over the phone, but I couldn't hear it extremely clearly. But that's fine. Okay, negative 1/3x. You see, 90 degrees, right? Perpendicular. Okay, so I don't think it's in the book, but it's good to know. Okay, it's not going to come up in the future, but in this course, I don't think I read through the book. I didn't see it. Okay. Anyway, so remember B, right? So let's take a look at B. Y equals 3x plus 1. What do you see? We see, yeah, go ahead. It's a parallel line. Okay, so we can actually say that B actually moves the line up. Yeah. Vertically. Okay, moves the line vertically up. And the negative value would actually move it down. This is minus 10, right? Move it down. Okay, but the slope is the same. So we can conclude that two lines with the same slope are parallel, right? If they have the same slope, they are parallel. Okay, so this would actually help you visualize what M and what B does to your graph. Okay, so now let's take a look. So today's task is that I will give you different equations, and your job is to graph it. So for example, I'm going to give Makai y equals 3x minus 9. I might give you fractions. Okay. Heck, I'll probably give you fractions in decimals. Okay. So what Makai is gonna do is he's gonna actually move it to the right place. Okay, wherever is the best, and then do a screenshot. Okay, go to a Google Doc. Okay, that's what you're gonna use to generate a PDF and send it to me. Okay, submit it to me, and then paste it, and now, and on top of the document, Makai is gonna put his name. Make hi. Okay,
Yes.
cool. Fitz or Fritz?
Fritz.
Fritz. Gerald. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, the second.
No, the second.
Because it's not the real Makai. That's okay. All right. It's not the real Makai here. Okay. Cool. Wow. Sounds pretty good. Okay. So what we're gonna do is remember put the equation because I have no idea what equation you're using, right? Okay. So y equals is it 3x plus 9? Minus 9. Okay, just confirming. Yeah. Okay, cool. See? Don't rely on my memory. Okay. I have a memory of a goldfish. Okay, don't do that. So you're gonna figure out the slope, which is
It's delta
Delta
you guys are thinking too much. You guys are thinking too much, guys. 3. It's literally right there. It's whatever in front of x, guys.
It's n.
Okay. Okay, no. No need to reinvent something, okay? The slope is literally right there, guys. Okay? But you can, yes, delta y over delta x if you only have 2 points, but guys, we have the equation, okay? Okay. Now, and you're gonna figure out two other things other than slope, which is the y-intercept and x-intercept. I'm gonna actually write down here, you can write it down too on your assignment. Y-intercept is when something is 0. What is 0? X is 0. That's right. When x is 0. Okay. So which is y equals 3x out of 3 times 0 minus 9, which is 0 minus 9, which is negative 9. Thank you. Okay. So y-intercept is
0 and negative 9.
Thank you. 0, negative 9. Negative 9 is a number. Brackets 0, negative 9 is a coordinate. Oh, Makai. See, Makai the second is doing better than you. Okay, that's okay. Try again, okay? So x-intercept is, guys, when y is 0, okay? Now, before I actually move on to x-intercept, I just want to show you something, okay? Really cool. So we have 0, 9 here, right? So when x is 0, y is, wait,
3.
x-intercept is when x is 0, y is negative 9, right? So we can actually go here and take a look. What do you see? 0, negative 9, right? Just to verify. Okay. You have to click on it somehow. Okay. So and x-intercept is y is 0. So this is a little bit trickier, but it's not too tricky. Okay. So plug in the value in the equation. So 0 equals 3x minus 9. Solve for x. So what's the first step to isolate x? Add 9 on both sides, right? Add 9 on both sides. It is like this, right? And then 9 equals 3x, and both sides need to divide by 3, which is the coefficient of x, right? If x is 3.1715 x, okay, then both sides divide by 3.1415 x, okay, whatever it is. Whatever the coefficient is, negative or positive. Yes, Riva.
Why did you add 9?
On both sides?
Yeah.
Because I want to isolate x by putting x on one side. So if it's minus 9 here, then if it's minus 9 on one side, then by adding 9, then you cancel the 9 on this side, leaving x on one side. Okay?
But how if you don't have a partial variation?
Huh?
How if you don't have a partial variation and you just have 3x?
Then perfect. Then just both sides divided by the coefficient of x. Okay, cool. Yeah. Which is actually this. Yeah. If y is just equal to 3x, then yeah. If y is 0, x is 0. Because if you don't have b, then it passes through the point of origin. Then 0, 0 would be the y and x intercept. Okay, got it? Okay. So x is equal to 3. Guys, okay, x equal to 3. Okay. So you can also quickly put 3 into the equation and see. 3 times 3 minus 9 is 0. Perfect. Then x intercept is 3, 0. And we can go back to Desmos and see. Is it 3, 0? Yes. Okay. 3, 0. And then put your name and then file, download as PDF, and then submit it. Okay. For quick check mark. Then you can submit it on Etsy. Okay. Say that again, Daniel.
I just copy and paste them.
What is it? Why is it called?
I just copy and paste the Google Doc.
Yeah, but Google Doc link sometimes there's permission issues and you can change it after. PDF is just permanent, same. Whatever you submit is whatever you submit, right? Okay. And it's always going to be forever available on Etsy, right? Because it's your record of your achievement and in this course, right? Yes, Riva? Question?
Can you keep it up when you're doing it?
No, I'm gonna actually put the link on so you can actually open it and see what I did. And also this video too, which I am recording and I'm finishing the